Hi everyone and welcome to Down in the Computer Cellar YouTube channel, episode number 1. This first episode was dedicated to Sir Clive Sinclair. He passed away in 2021, September 16th, after a battle of 10 years against cancer. He was a British electronics inventor and entrepreneur, founder of the company Sinclair Research that made the most sold home computer in Europe, even overcoming Commodore sales, which had a factory in Germany. He made an affordable computer, several models in fact. The most popular one was the Sinclair ZX Spectrum 48K. He was thinking of people so they could be introduced to coding. He believed that in the future there would be a computer in every home, which in fact it has become a reality, and was all of an icon or hero for the teenagers at the time. And his computer made the delights of many of us when playing games or programming it. Rest in peace, Sir Clive. Today, I'm gonna test the soldering gun. This is made in China by a company named Gaoji. The soldering gun is the cheaper option for the soldering components from a printed circuit board. As we can see, it has a container for the molten tin. It has a tip that gets heated, and inside it has a vacuum pump that when we pull the trigger, it is activated and sucks up the molten tin from the PCB. This model, S993A, has a power consumption around 100 watts. It has a potentiometer for selecting the temperature at which we want to the solder. In my case, I have it set to 380 centigrade degrees. It also comes with a quite sturdy stand that comes with a sponge. We have to wet it. It is used for cleaning the tip of the soldering gun, and also comes with some needles to unclog the tip in case some molten tin gets accumulated inside. The first problem I came across with the soldering gun was the plug. It came with an Australian type plug, which is not usable here in Europe, and in spite of coming with an adapter, we can see the legs of the adapter are off center, so it cannot be plugged in a modern wall socket in Europe. So first thing I had to do was changing the plug for a normal one that we mostly use in every country of Europe. For testing it, first thing we have to do is plugging it and let it heat for around 5 minutes. And for the purpose of testing, I have this printed circuit board. It's a base board of a PC power supply that is faulty. We can see, for example, that some of the capacitors are swollen, but anyways, I'm not gonna give it any use, and I'm gonna try to desolder some of the components that come with it. I think it's now ready for the soldering because this LED switches on when it's heating and turns off when the tip is hot at the desired temperature. So let's try it with these capacitors, for example. We apply it to the leg of the component, we giggle it a bit and pull the trigger. And just pulling, we have it. Let's try another component. Let's try the soldering the rectifier bridge. Legs are a bit twisted, so we have to make a little movement to put them in position. And when we pull the trigger, same procedure with the other leg. Let's try with this integrated circuit. We can see it does its job quite well, and the price is around 100 US dollars, which is about 84 euros. Thanks for watching, and if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. That will help me a lot. See you in the next video, and take very much care of yourselves.